Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to add text background in Hostinger website builder. I am now inside Hostinger website builder. Let's say that if the background photo of behind this text makes reading this text a little bit harder. What you can do is to first click on edit text, then go to these more options or three dots, then enable the background color. As you can see, I have now a text background with this gray color. To edit the color, you can make it a little bit. Let's pick this color, for example, or let's go with this color, for example. Line, you can edit the line height, the background, for example. This is a good background text. And don't forget to update your website to see your changes live. And this is how to add a text background in Hostinger website builder. Before you go, I have something special for you. I have two free online video courses for you. The first one is about Hostinger hosting and WordPress managing, and the second one shows you how to use Hostinger website builder to make basic websites or online shops. You can get them both for free just by clicking the link in the description. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. If you have any question, leave a comment below.